Day one of a hearing involving the possible extradition of a businessman to Indonesia centered on evidence being submitted after the stipulated deadline. Over 100 pages, including witness statements from Indonesia, are under scrutiny. Paulus Tannos, a Singapore permanent resident, is wanted by the Indonesian authorities for his alleged involvement in an electronic ID card project that's said to have caused losses of around 2.3 trillion rupiah, or roughly 180 million Sing dollars. Nasyrah Rohim has more.
The defense lawyers say the evidence is not admissible because they were not duly authenticated and was submitted on 12 June after the late March deadline. They argue that the evidence is not reliable since it was taken some 15 years after the alleged events around 2010 or 2011. The state councils introduced the evidence as part of their case to send Tannos back to Indonesia. They rely on evidence that Tannos agreed to pay Indonesian officials bribes or gratuities so that a tender was being manipulated. This is the first case under the extradition treaty between Singapore and Indonesia, which entered into force in March last year. The 70-year-old man was arrested in January this year and has been in remand ever since. He had repeatedly declined to surrender to Indonesia. The hearing is set for another 2 days.